Some of you have been asking me to talk about how you can actually make money with AI as a beginner. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a business idea that you can actually do on the side as someone who knows how to use AI, as someone who doesn't have a laptop and you just have your smartphone and you don't have a dime in your account. So I'm going to show you the entire process of how you can actually be making money online, a business idea that will actually help you make money online as a beginner. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online and I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself. So quickly, do me a favor by liking this video. Make sure that you subscribe. All right, when you subscribe, it shows that you support what I am doing on this channel. All right, so having said that, let's get straight into the video. Let me show you a business idea you can start as someone who can use AI to make money for yourself as a beginner. Let's get straight into the video. So quickly, what we are going to do right now is the first step. The first step is for you to actually find out what problem do you want to be solving for people, because the major reasons why people are not making money online is because they are not solving a problem. So if you want to make money online, you have to be solving a problem. And how do you know which problem you want to solve? You have to do this thing I want to show you right now. We are going to go to any of the social media accounts. All right, we can go to either Twitter. This is Twitter here. We can go to Facebook, or we can go to TikTok, or we can even go to YouTube. All right, the reason why we're doing this is because we want to find out what people are talking about. That's the first step. The first step is to research. This is something that a lot of people don't do when they're trying to make money online. They say, I want to make money online. They just go online and start typing and start creating solutions that people are not actually buying. Are you getting this now? So what you are doing first is to go online to find out something that people are actually talking about, something that is a problem that people are talking about. All right, so here I'm going to go here. What do I do? Let's say we want to solve a problem about weight loss. What we are going to do right here, we are going to come here and type weight loss, or let's just say weight gain. Okay, weight gain. All right, let's say you're creating a weight gain solution for people. Now, for us to create a weight gain solution for people, we want to know what are the challenges that people are actually talking about with respect to weight gain. Are you following me now? So we're going to come here, weight gain supplements for women. How to gain weight. How to gain weight. I'm a male. Let's even say how to gain weight for males. All right, I want to see what men are talking about when it comes to weight gain. All right, now I will click on it. I will search for it. Another way to do this is to go to YouTube and type this same how to gain weight for males. See what people are saying. See the videos that are there on YouTube, and then you can now research the comment section. Are you getting this now? Now you see this, you can see how to gain weight. You can see how to gain weight faster. The essence here is not to watch the video. The essence is to check the comment section to see what people are talking about. Now, in the comment section, you're going to find out what people are complaining about. All right, you want to pick an idea for a solution you are going to be creating. So let's go to the comment section. We click on it once, and so this is actually taking time, but I won't want to waste time on this video. So quickly, what you're going to do in the comment section is to check for the complaints that people are complaining about. Are you getting this now? You check for the complaint that people are complaining about. Now, from that complaint, you pick like 5 of the complaints, and then you take it to your phone, and then you save it. All right, you save it in your phone. Let's say people are complaining about many things. You come to your notepad and save it on your phone. All right, once you save it on your phone, the next thing to do now is to go and download this app called ChatGPT. this app you see here, come to Google Play Store and let's check this app called ChatGPT. Come here and type ChatGPT. Can you see this now? Come here and type ChatGPT. Can you see the app now? This one here that says update, not the one saying install. I already have the app, that's why it's telling me to update. So you install this app and sign up on the app. Now look at the app here on my phone. This is the app here. Can you see this now? This is the app here. So this is where you now need AI to help you to brainstorm. All right, so if I'm going to come here now, all of the challenges that I've copied from that comment section in the video, now that's research you are doing. You're going to do that like in five places. All right, so you can get enough data that you can use to create your product. So we want to create a PDF guide. All right, we're not doing a course, we're not doing a software, we're not doing an app. We want to create a PDF guide that people can read. All right, a quick solution. Are you getting this now? A quick solution is what we are creating. So we come here and then we ask ChatGPT to actually give us a full idea of the guide. Our guide should be nothing more than 15 pages. We don't want to bore people with writings. We just want quick actionable steps that they can take to gain weight. Are you getting it now? So we come here now, say I want to create a PDF guide. Follow me guys, that will show men how to gain weight in 2 weeks. Okay, let's say 3 months, or in 30 days. Let's say 30 days. Okay, here are some challenges that men encounter. Are you seeing what I'm doing now? Here are some challenges that men encounter. Then underneath here, you are now going to copy those challenges and come here and paste them. All right, say number 1, you say men don't eat well. Are you seeing challenge number 1? Challenge number 2, men don't stick to meal plans. Are you seeing this? I'm just using this as an example, right? So you keep listing all the challenges for ChatGPT, and then you come here and say, also give me the idea for the title and write the entire book or the entire PDF, anyhow you want to put it. All right, so this prompt is just this is not a perfect prompt, but this is something you can play around with. All right, now you enter it. ChatGPT is going to give you full details of what you need. This is a machine that can engineer and help you generate money for yourself, but a lot of people don't really know how to use this. Are you seeing this now? See now, ChatGPT also gives us additional challenge. Men don't eat enough calories, men don't stick to meal plans, men skip breakfast, men rely too much on junk food instead of nutritious food, men have fast metabolic. Are you seeing all the challenges? Now look at the title idea. It says a 30-day healthy weight gain blueprint for men, from skinny to strong, 30 days weight gain. Now can you see the title? He's giving us the title for the PDF. So come here, you scroll down and make sure now we ask it to create the book, a PDF, using the title. This is just a soft way to do it, guys. There's a strategic way to do it, but I'm just showing you this, a quick one for this video. So what we'll do now, I'm picking one of the topics, from skinny to strong, a 30-day weight gain guide. Okay, from skinny to strong, a 30-day weight gain, guide. Okay, you can even say how to gain weight in 30 days without going to the gym. Are you getting this now? There are other ways to create and fine-tune your title, but you must make sure that you take your time on this, because you want to create something that will make people curious, a title that will make people very, very curious to click to buy your PDF. All right, so create the PDF using the title. So let's go. All right, are you seeing this now? Look at the concept. It's giving us everything here. Can you see? It say that kind of ebook can realistically sell for blah blah blah. Okay. Here's the structure I'll recommend. All right, I'll ask it again. I want you to create the contents of the guide. Make it 15 pages. Okay, so this is how you keep prompting the AI tool to actually give you you keep prompting it and prompting it to give you a full detail of all the contents. All right, and then once you are done, you click on this button here and copy it and go and paste it on your notepad. Are you seeing this now? When you paste it on your notepad, you can now go to your Google Play Store. Sorry, not your Google Play Store. You go to your Google Docs. All right, that same thing that you copied, you go and paste it on your Google Docs. Guys, if you're getting value from this video, please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe. You paste everything here. All right, when you paste it here, the next thing is for you to edit it completely and save it as a PDF guide. All right, do it completely and save it as a PDF guide. Now once you save it as a PDF guide, you now have a PDF guide. Now the next step for you is to go ahead and go to Canva to design your this is my Canva, although it's not been updated. So you go to Canva to design the mock-up design. The mock-up design is just a cover of the book. So but I wouldn't want to use Canva, I want to use AI, and I'll come here and say design, let's give it another prompt, design the book cover and the mock-up. Now watch what AI is going to do for me now. So this is it. This thing doesn't take up to 30 minutes if you know what you are doing. All right, this is very, very beautiful. Let's see what AI is going to be creating for us. So we wait for it to quickly generate a cover for us. It's actually generating the cover already, so let's wait patiently. Now as you can see, ChatGPT has created a cover for us. This is not the best cover, but we can manage this. All right, let's quickly take a look at the book. Can you see? This is the cover. Can you see? This is the mock-up. So you can actually click on the top arrow that points down to download it, and once you download it, it will be on your phone. Right now we finish with the cover, so the next thing to do is to go to Selar. Right, we go to Selar and upload the product on Selar. So this is the next step. All right, I hope you're getting value from this. When you come here, the next thing to do is to come to Selar. All right, let's see, come to Selar here. All right, come to Selar and then you upload. So if you're not on Selar, what you have to do is to go to selar.com. You can see it up there, selar.com. You come to selar.com and upload and sign up. Sorry, you sign up on Selar. Just go to selar.com and sign up. All right, once you sign up, you have the ability to upload your product. Just in case you don't know how to upload your product, I've created another video that shows you the entire step of how you can upload your ebook or your PDF or your digital product. I will link the video in the description section. All right, so that is that. Once you upload it on Selar, the next thing you're going to do is to find a way to get a lot of people to see your product. All right, very easy. Now, once you have successfully uploaded your product on Selar, the next step to follow is for you to go ahead and promote the product. You want to make sure that a lot of people that can pay for your product are seeing your product. And how do you promote? You can go to your social media accounts and start creating content around that topic. And when you create content around the topic, you make it in such a way that people want to know more about that topic, and then you link your products. You add the link to the product. All right, now once you do that, you're going to be creating your content for 30 days or 60 days or 90 days until you start seeing results. Now, this is a good method, but it is actually slow. But there's another method you can also use if you have some money to invest into ads. What you can do is to run adverts, and this is a very fast way to get result. When I say result, I'm talking about sales. Okay, when you do any of this method and you start getting sales, then you need to reinvest your profit back into the business. You want to scale it so that you can get more results. All right, so this is exactly the business idea you can start using AI with your smartphone, even if you don't have a dime in your account. I've done this several times, and a lot of people are doing this currently as we speak. If you really want to learn the exact process of how I do this, all right, you're interested to learn this, I've created a video guide that will show you the entire process, all right, of how you can do this. So what you do, I'll link that in the comment section. I'll pin it to the comment section. I'll link it also in the description section. Make sure you check for that. All right, make sure you check it and you find it. All right, that's all for this video. Before I leave, please do me a favor by liking this video. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell so you won't miss whenever I share content like this on this channel. I'll see you. Bye for now.